Welcome to our journey into understanding metabolism, a vital process impacting our health and vitality. As we grow older, our metabolic functions evolve uniquely. Grasping this internal combustion can be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant life post-50. So let's dive in and decipher this mystical metabolic equation that significantly shapes our life, 1 calorie at a time. Ever wonder how getting older influences our metabolism? The story post-50 isn't what you might think. Aging often brings a slowdown, but we'll reveal why it's not all doom and gloom. Join us as we unveil key metabolic changes and dispel misconceptions concerning aging and metabolism. You might just find the beauty of growing older lies in the power of knowledge. Time to debunk myths and set the record straight. Ever wondered the secret to revving up your metabolism? Spoiler alert, it's on your plate. Our diet plays a crucial role in metabolic health, especially after 50. Embark with us as we spotlight the power-packed trio of protein, fiber, and water to kickstart your metabolism. While tempting, don't rely solely on weight loss supplements. Real food is the key to this metabolic treasure. Grab your trainers. We're about to put the move in metabolism. After 50, your metabolism thrives on movement through strength training, cardio, and even daily activities. We're here to guide you with practical tips to elevate your everyday routine into a metabolic powerhouse. Remember, it's not always about the sweat. It's about setting the pace for your metabolic groove. Ready to level up your metabolic game after 50? We present you with an arsenal of scientifically backed strategies. From discovering the healing power of sleep to managing stress and regular health check-ins, these simple lifestyle tweaks can rev up your metabolic engine. Embrace these changes and watch as longevity and vitality aren't just dreams, but your reality.